Yeah. Hear me I say Gaza Nation. I say I drop a video this morning, then about 6 o'clock. Because you don't know I have to clock in for 7. I'm going to leave from 6. You see what I say? And shot the video. Yes, I never jump on YouTube before I shot the video. And I say, see when I shot the video, I'm going to go hold a coffee and sit back and take up my phone and start check out necessary equipment. Me bum buckler. Yo, Gaza Nation. Yo, when me look, the Palmer's family them decorate YouTube 1, 2, and 3. And when me look, you have Vibes, you have Sean Storm, you have Vibes Cartel again. It was a Gaza, it's a Gaza atmosphere on YouTube. The same platform where them a fight Gaza artists over, the same platform where them a freeze Vibes Cartel views and I stop him streaming anywhere. And the world, it's not a plan. Yo, watch what I want. Carefully. A franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You don't know it go already, you know. When I come for representing, hey, a full effect thing, man. You don't know it go. When I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing then. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite, most definitely. Watch me. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? You hear me, man? Right about now, you know. Me don't know if we not see it in a Gaza Nation. A straight take over the answer I get, you know. You see what I say? Because here we are one. Look at Adi, you know, song the number 1, you know. Look at Vibes, you know, the number 2. And the World Boss and Tommy Lee number 3. Then I think the World Boss again and Shabdan. Then you have Sean Storm and Chronicler. You what I say now, Gaza Nation. Just hear me out properly, you know. You see, look at Adi, him have lyrics for days and years. You see what I say? Him flawless and him deal with them things so fucking easy. You know what I mean? I know him a 16-year-old. I know him not about no high grade and worse no beat it. Hear what I say right about now. You see, look at Vibes, him are the melody god. You see what I say? I mean, make you know that long time. The first time I hear the youth, them, I tell the teacher, yo, the youth sound like Tennessee in a teacher. Yo, don't make him stop the sing J business, you know. You see what I deal with? Because the youth born for that shit there. You don't hear the youth voice pan rhythm. You don't hear the melody where I spit off flawlessly. Yo, them youth are got damage the world, you know, when it comes musically, you know. I ain't talking about dancehall, you know, because listen to me. The youth, them don't put on themselves to dancehall music alone. You see what I say? If you notice all some of the rhythm where the youth, them spit pan and all the youth, them deal with them thing nice and clean. You see what I say? No argument, no dead about it. I really way I represent, I represent no lollipop way. You see what I say? It's a Gaza weekend. You see what I say? The material evidence there upon YouTube for everybody see. No gimmicks business, no dead about it. You see what I deal with? So when you have some little jockstrap sniffing, vendetta fans, feel like them can come talk to me and tell me what I must talk. Say, from when I have to talk, say, yo, let me tell you something. Go look at CV and them boy them. For tell them what to do. You can't tell General what to do, man. General not take orders from people, man. General give orders, man. You know what I mean? So I drop my video and I look at jockstrap sniffing fans. Run come in my comment box right now, you know. The man left my comment box, you know, ring up, you know, because, you know, him no go wash out his mouth early this morning, you know, from, you know, drinking out or when girl pee out, you know, and come from my channel and write up shit, dog. Let me tell you something. Right now, you know, the whole of my comment box rank up, you know, I'm ranking out, you know. No gimmicks thing I did about it in a Gaza Nation. You see what I deal with? Yeah, I really way me I represent. Me not represent no lollipop way. I don't know joke thing me I deal with. You see what I say? Yeah. Yeah. You know what I mean? The man coming on my comment box and tell me, say, me I fight against you. Or the hell me I fight against you. True me I talk about the truth. True me I talk the truth. Yeah. I already know the truth is an offense, but it's not a sin. But as some represent. You know what I mean? You know, me not tell me a lie or I go like me a clown. You see what I deal with? Yeah. Yeah, we not going to tell no lie about it, or we not clown to it. You see what I say? Then the man are going to tell me, listen here, the man are going to tell me, yo, me a fight against the young youth, and I could have be the man grandfather. No, I don't think so. Because the universe never set it that way there. You see what I say? Furthermore, the only way we in Jamaica have youth big would have to push a fire, and I never push none there so. So I couldn't have him as a grandson. You see what I say? No gimmicks business not dead about it. Because my grandfather asked me, I said, but son, if you want the pot for boil, big would have to push a fire because small wood can't bubble up pot it burn out too quick. You see what I say? No gimmicks thing not dead about it, Gaza Nation. I mean, like from the when I reach 23-year-old, I already have 2 youth already. My first youth at 23 right now, you know. In a law school, you know. I slap off him law degree, you know. My next son will follow him a 20-year-old. In a college, I study business management. So the boy, when you aim upon YouTube and a chat, you feel like say you talk to some lollipop blogger. No gimmicks thing not there in it. Me a revolutionist Gaza with my mouth on YouTube, international business. I want me to know, yo, my DNA and not nothing easy, you know my virgin. What do you common chance, them common chance shit come out? A holy child, me look at that pass, you know. One of the toughest girl high school in Jamaica, you know. So boy, if you know say my DNA not easy, you know what I mean? Give thanks to my ancestors and my parents them. You see what I say? Yeah, you can imagine that. Why some boy not feel it? Boy, you chat up your mouth. You think you can try that boy? I look at ghetto youth from me out of Arnett Garden, Concrete Jungle, Kingston 12. 4 youth me have. You know what I mean? And me alone send 2 youth go to college. You think me depend on a boy and a girl for do nothing at all for me? You know what I mean? I can't do ever look at things for myself. Plus, I have my own brain. So, I don't know what jockstrap sniffing boy I talk about. Where boy will bend down and drink out of where him girl a pee out of. You can't chat to me. Remember, you know, alkaline say body wash, you know. And at the girl, them, him a talk, you know. I don't know how no busy having the head up the man jockstrap. I don't know how no busy have on the head up in jockstrap a sniff on. You know what I mean? I not deal with gimmicks thing. Everybody knows a Gaza Mach 90 rifle and Glock thing. You see what I say? Although it might be sound funny to you, I'm dead serious because real way I represent. I don't represent a lollipop way. And whatever I tell you now, the living truth. I don't have time to tell like I'm in no trouble. What the fuck I get up and I go lie about? For what? Views? No, my brother. A way before YouTube me make money. And if YouTube got done right now, I still make money. You know what I mean? Because I have the ability to do that. I have more than 1 trade. That's why I say people have to pay me for my work. No gimmicks business. No lollipop thing not the inner it. You see what I say? When I work a day, take some blogger on YouTube, the whole month for do that. And it's a day, I slap with that in 8 hours. You see what I say? So nobody wanna feel like say you can come talk to me. I not take talk from clowns. Especially boy we bend down and drink out of them girl we out of with them ranking mouth. You should have get up and wash out your mouth with some J's and bleach this morning before you come over my channel come and rank it up. But man, fight against young youth. A man could have be your grandfather. Yo, don't style me out of my character, my brother. You see what I say? Come on, you them not start have kids yet. You see what I deal with? Yeah, nobody hear something, nothing for me. I do shit on my own time. You know what I mean? And I not beg no handout, neither. You see what I deal with? Yeah, a real way I represent. But back to the saga again, Gaza Nation, me say, local vibes, local are the Vybz Kartel, Tommy Lee, Sean Storm, Chronic Law, Vybz Kartel himself, and Shotgun. YouTube in a friends league, man, this weekend, man. You know what I mean? Yeah. So bless up to the nation people, them. You know what I mean? Yeah. No joke thing not dead about it. No joke thing not dead about it. Bless up to the nation people, them. Because you know a real way we represent. We love the support we are going. We know a YouTube. We don't ever even exaggerate no more upon it. Because YouTube is a baby platform to Gaza artists. Them. No gimmicks business, no dead about it. And what they are the youth thing they on BET playlist. So I don't no waste argument when a boy, you know. Them two youth that when I talk about already they on the Billboard and hip hop R&B Billboard chart already. Them youth they already grace them shit they already by going on them Pops album. No lollipop thing, no dead about it, my brother. No gimmicks thing, no dead about it. And for some unscrupulous people who want to curse the youth because them see him a roll out him father Benz. People want to cuss him and I tell him this and I tell him that. You are all bad-minded people, my friend. Yeah, man, when you check the relation. You see when you check it out, they are all bad-minded people. No gimmicks thing not dead about it. You know what I mean? You can't see the youth a roll out him father, big S-Clarks Benz and no have argument for chat about him. Like a thief, him father thief. The man no work hard for him money. And make the youth them make him youth them can reap off him legacy. What me to now? No gimmicks thing not dead about it, Gaza Nation. I come to America and my mother retired nursing business, you know, because diagnosis my mother doing like leak out your blood out of your body and put fresh blood in your body, you know, my brother. Yo, my mother went through a lawsuit, you know. And when my mother done with the lawsuit, you know, although he's a growing man, you know, my mother buy big house, give me a Florida, swimming pool, 2 jacuzzi. So when some boy see me in a New York and feel like say some form of gimmicks, bumbuckler thing, me depend, you know. You don't know nothing about me. If me not tell you cannot know. You see me? I'm still there in a New York because me have to take care of my youth them and make sure my youth them go through them things successfully. You see what I say? So when time them done graduate and get what them supposed to get, me know no boy can't play with them because them can already take care of themselves already. Then 10 star we think about doing anything else. You see what I say? Yeah, and although my mother buy that, me still now watch that. Because me a boy will pray for buy more off my own. No gimmicks thing not dead about it. Me not have the ability to do it. And I have the union behind me. No joke shit not dead about it. Every month money have to come out, every week money have to come out of my paycheck. Go to my 401k. You think me laugh with it? You know what I mean? Remember, you know. I tell you in a concrete jungle, Kingston 12, me I come from, you know. You don't believe I look at get a boy can do all of them things that I tell you about. And I pay $2,000 a month for rent and all them shit there. Have how much necessity I deal with, etc. Plus 4 kids. Plus 2 baby moms and crazy bitches. What I talk about, man? A Gaza way me represent, there ain't no other way. No boy will sniff man jackstrap can't chat to me. No boy will boast about no body wash thing can't talk to me. Me not take talk from people, my brother. Me not watch people things. Because I'm satisfied with what me have. That's why me am a criminal. You see what I say? Because every liar is a thief. And every thief is a fucking liar. You see what I say? So when boy want for life to get views and a life to chat this and feel like same can bring down Gaza thing, go look on YouTube and try stop that. Because that's a famous platform where the whole of you jump up and rejoice about. You see what I say? Them youth are going to be international star in a no time. are the general, you know, the 10-star one I represent Gaza Nation. What? Gaza way, you know, there ain't no other way. 10-star general.